Okay, real quick video here. What's going to happen here? This thing is going to shoot right back up. It's going to shoot right back up. Now, are we ready to do that yet? Probably so, because it's about 10:30, and at 10:30 Central Standard Time, things begin to happen. Usually, any major move of the morning is over by 10:30. Keep that in mind. Now, let's just take a look at the composite market profile. This composite market profile, we went down to 2808. We broke through the 2809.50 upper value area. There's still another one at 525. Okay, but the big one at 280.50 on SPY has been hit. So we could be ready, to turn here. It may not go down to 525. That's entirely possible. We just don't know, at least not yet. So we need to be long in here. We need to be long, and we already have a target as to where this thing is going. How do we know that? Okay, let's go to the premium screen. Remember what we said earlier. There it is. Okay. Right here. Naked bar. Way back here. Naked bar. So there's your target. 28.25. And we're down at 28.08 right now. 28.25. Naked bar. Hello. And so here we are. We're way down here, and you've already seen, how the premium is done getting new lows. It's already started generating new highs. So there's some buying going on, and so here we are in the lows. We're very positive on the premium in here, and yeah, it could still turn down, but you get that naked bar in there. So given the time, given the premium, given the divergence, etc., we could be looking for a real nice rally right back up to 25. Wow. We'll have that's going to take some time, so we're not going to continue with the video right now, but we'll come back and we'll take a look at how the market behaves. But keep that in mind. Now we have to look closely at the possibility of, well, at going long because of the premium. The only thing is there's still a little downside here because of the composite, but that big bar on the premium is a pretty good indication that we probably hit it. We hit the low in here, and certainly the premium suggests it, at least at this time. So that's where we're at. Now, as you can see, we've kind of hit a new high in here. Premium is premium is at a lower high. This is going to come down. So now it's kind of questionable. It's kind of questionable whether or not we want to go ahead and take the risk that this is going to go much higher. Indication is it will, because of the premium that we talked about, but at the moment looks like we're going to come back down a bit, and for that reason, we can always get back in back into a long trade. But anyway, you saw what happened, and now for good reason, we want to think about the possibility of just taking profits here, call it a day, or wait for this thing to come back down, see where it levels out at, and maybe get back in. But the overall plan hasn't really changed. Well, we're obviously going to wrap up our video here. There was the number, as you could see it. That's exactly where it went. That is just amazing. And then we obviously began to rally back. Let's get the so this being as late as it was, just an interesting point about the pattern. This is a green day pattern down, and as the high of the day was just shortly before 10 o'clock. Let's get that thing. Come on. All right, so shortly before 10 o'clock. Usually the low then is going to be somewhere around could be 1:30 to 2 o'clock. It was a little early, there's your low, but that's a very, very good display of a green day down. And that's your big move, and generally you're not going to get a new high. So while we do anticipate that the market will nevertheless still return back up to 25 based on the premium, it's going to take a little while. That'll happen likely tomorrow. But there you have it. Beautiful, beautiful bounce off of the well-established upper value area. Now just look at where that's based on. Cumulative data from all the way back to the 18th of May of 2017. That's over a year of data to generate that number, and that's exactly where it went. That's why cumulative market profile is so useful. It's an excellent piece of data. And just another thing is, as you look at these lows, you look at the divergence here, divergence there. So you can expect this thing is going to rally back, and then taking a long trade, you're gonna prove successful with that. And it'll just have to remain to be seen how far up it'll go. But recap: we spent no time below the point of control to speak of. We were anticipating the short because we hadn't come down there. It came down, bounced a little bit, came down here, bounced again, but keeping in mind this was at 08. All right, there's your level, 08, and 0975 was the previous number, but 05 was really a stronger number than that, and that's right where it went to. Pretty cool. All right, that concludes our video for today.